can copy this code, right?
Yes.
How? That copy paste, control C, and this file I'm copying over here. It's okay.
Mm.
And I'm just changing the package name because package name we have to correct it, right? Hello, done. Like, you know this? It is connect. It is creating data source, and data source you are creating JDBC template. You know this, right? Say yes. You know. You
Yes.
know, right?
Yes.
Now what you can do is just this JDBC template you can auto add. You remember?
Mm.
Hello.
Auto
Private.
into controller.
Hmm. Earlier, in the earlier session, you injected this bean into service layer, but here you can inject it. No? Say you are following me. JDBC template, and you can auto add. So what happening? But this will create a data source which will connect to the database, and this will create a JDBC template. And this template you can auto add in this. You know this much, okay?
Mm.
After
Yeah.
it, what you can do? Here you can write your query. Hmm?
Yeah.
So you need a database, right? And my
Mm.
database name is Cubic Take DB. In Cubic Take DB, I don't know Cubic Take DB where it is. Cubic, yeah, right. In this, you have to make a table. Say yes.
Yeah.
Reply. You have to
Yes,
make a
sir.
table,
Yes.
and table will have login ID, integer.
ID, username, and password.
Yeah. This is repetition, repetition, repetition. I'm repeating it again and again. And in this, you'll have username, varchar 100, password,
Okay.
varchar 30 is enough. And in last, you can have a role. Fine. Varchar 30. If you want, you can use name, varchar 100, email, varchar 400, gender, varchar 910. Photo, right? Varchar. Anybody confused? No. But this is table, right? So you can make a table. Table is called user underscore profile table. It's okay. Hmm.
Yes.
I created a table, right? This table have this information. In this, I can store my username and other details. So in this table, let me add some dummy data. It's okay.
Mm.
My username is Jack. Password is 0. Role is admin. Name is Nagendra. Email ID is nagin@gmail.com. Gender is male. Photo is coming soon. Fine. Hey, I'm adding two users, right? Jack. Another user is admin. Password is pass. Role is customer, right? Name is admin. Email ID is admin@gmail.com. You guys confused? No,
No.
no, 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 no,
Okay,
no.
okay.
I have a question like whether it's in the scope of this course or not, because I want to know how can we even cipher like protect the password in the database like in the table. Can we do that? Is it in the scope of the course?
Course. Can you come again? What your question is? I don't understand.
I mean to say in the table itself, right? So the password is visible, right? So if I want to make it like I want to make it like uh, not
Password in.
visible to.
Yeah. That is in agenda. Actually, in Spring Framework, there is a password encoder. I will teach you that. I agree.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, agree. Actually, the password should be stored like this. Let me show you. I have other databases, right? You see, here you cannot see the password. You see,
Oh, okay.
got it? So it is in
Yeah.
agenda.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's in the scope of this course, right?
Yeah, sir. Everything is
Okay.
in. So this is very professional training.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It is just starting. Okay. So you need to connect to which database? Oh, I
Qubit
forget
check.
it. Cubic. Let me close that. Tick, 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 tick. I'm going to use my database ULE, right? This is my table, no? I need to authenticate a user from this, right?
Hmm.
So you have to write the code. Hmm. This is clear to you, everybody? I created this config file. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, config file. And I am auto wiring over here, right? यहाँ पे. You know this much, right? Now here I can write my query. Allow me. कैसे? String SQL. Tell me select.
Select uh,
What you want to fetch.
username and password.
But you can fetch other columns if you want. Or you can fetch all the column. I need your help in that. You want to fetch only one column or all the columns?
Just one.
It is up to you, right? I'm fetching all the column.
Okay.
Username, password, role, eh, boring, name, comma, email, comma, gender, comma, photo. Confuse? From which table?
I think it's
You are.
user login, user profile table.
So I'm doing it, right? Where? Username equals
Username
to
is
question mark
hmm.
and
And
password equals to
question mark.
question mark. Hello. Huh? Now you can fire the query, you know. Like here, you know how to fire the query. You can use jdbc template, right? This bean. And there is a method, right? Query for
Object.
object or query for give me sake. Or you can use
No, only query
give me, give
since you
me,
are
give me,
fetching.
give me.
Okay. Okay.
Like here you can use query for map also. Query for map, what does? It will give you,
It
you
will
know,
give
column name and
value.
value, column name and value,
Yeah.
right? And here you can pass the input, you know, username and password. Username, password, you can, instead of putting in the object, you can pass as a comma separated also. Hey, you got the syntax?
Mm-hmm.
Where this username will get set over here. This password will set over here, right? And query for map, you know what result will come? Username as a column, key, its value as a value, password as a key. You understand purpose of the map? You guys are not replying sometime. Key, comma, object. Nobody's replying. You guys understand this concept? Map?
No, could you explain that again? So is username and password considered an object?
First of all, tell me, do you know map?
Yeah, you basically have a key pair value.
Yeah. Map data. See, in this username is key, and whatever value will come from database, it will come as a value. Password will be key, you know, and whatever value will come for the password from database, it will go to the value. Role will be key, right? So in what is if data comes, what will the size of the map? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will have 7 keys and corresponding 7 values. You got the concept?
Okay, I didn't know a map can have more than one key.
Yeah. This key is value. Is key is value. So here, if its size is coming 0, means data is not there, I guess. Size 0 means data is not there. Then you can go to A. You guys are not replying sometime. Very bad.
You're not.
If size is greater than 0, then user is valid.
Yep.
So you can set this message, right? I'm commenting it. Else. Yep. You can do like this. Else, right? Hello. And Like here, if size is greater than 0, I can send whole data in the on the GUI as a map. Allow me. What I'm doing? Request dot
Request dot.
map.
Mm-hmm.
Request dot set attribute.
All
So
right.
you are going to set your whole data, which is a hash map. Hash map is the value and data is the key. Got it? In both the cases, I'm coming where?
No, I don't get it. Could you wait? So when you set the data as
Problem.
match data, is that getting the?
You know, map is a collection. This collection I'm mapping with data. So the whole map you can retrieve on JSP file with the data attribute on this page, login.jsp page. What is
So
that?
yeah, so just getting all of the um, a map from or all of the SQL queries or the objects from SQL you got.
Yeah. Whole, you know what map contains? Username as a key, its value as a value, password as a key. So whole hash map you are adding into request scope so that you can retrieve on JSP. In this, there are many people. Nobody is saying yes or no. It means you guys are understanding it, right? So let's jump to the next thing. So here, whole hash map I added into the data, right? First of all, let's see it works or not, right? After that, this data I will retrieve it on JSP, login.jsp. So I'm trying. So I'm able to validate it from database. So what I should enter here, Jack and Jill is in database.
Mm.
Like here I'm running in debug mode. Debug here you can put some breakpoint, double click. So breakpoint is here. After it, you can right click on the JSP and instead of run as, you can use debug as debug on server. The benefit of this way to run it, you can line by line see its execution. Fine. I'm just entering Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill is in database. Yeah, it is. Authenticate. Uh, I'm saying yes means I want to run in debug mode. Can you see this? Hello. My username is Jack and password is coming Jill from like here. You fire the query, right? You see the data here, my hero. The username is Jack, right?
Mm.
Password is Jill. Everything is coming as a key value pair,
Yep.
right? So map dot size is greater than 0. So you are adding your whole data into data, and you are coming to the login.jsp page. Got it? After on login.jsp page, where it is. So इसको ना you run it in external browser. You know external browser? Yeah. Here you type Jack Angel. Can you help me?
Jack.
Jack Angel. Oh, no? Authenticate. Hello, Mr. Sim. 2, right? You want to come to the login page. Can you see this? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I come back. Eh. Then you want to show, if user is valid, I want to show his all the data over here. Allow me.
Okay.
What do you want to show?
Name.
Everything you want to show over here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to show everything, I need your help. Can I make a table over here if you allow me? You know table data structure in HTML? I
Uh,
hope Sharika has done table. No?
mm-hmm.
Yes, she did.
She did.
Okay. So here, where is my login.jsp file? I'm sorry, I opened many things. Let me close other thing first. Boring, 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 boring. How many editor I open? Wait a second. This is mine. Do 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 do. Windows show view. Perspective. Open perspective. Java. करो यार. Max. ये है ना? Hey, if you want to make a table in Bootstrap, you see my Google style,
Mm.
Bootstrap table, and use W3 school.
Okay.
Like here, we have different style of table. I'm using this table. Try yourself. You know style. But here we have this code. You see,
Mm.
Yeah.
you have to reply. This is the Bootstrap code.
Yep. I see it.
So I'm going to copy this. Allow me, na? Table, 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 na? Table to table. And this code I need to copy where, man?
Inside
Me.
the
In
login JS.
login.jsp. Paste it. Paste it at the bottom. Na? Put HR. Hello. I copy whole code, right? Because Bootstrap already I have in my project. Na? You see how it looks like, man? Oh, it's running in debug mode. Like you have to do mastery in debugging, right? Like, can you see this?
Yeah.
Here you have to show what?
Jag, jail.
You have to show all the attribute of
Name,
it, really.
email, photo, blah blah
Yeah,
blah.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. So here, the first, first you have to show username. Yeah. So here you can show the value, right? Then name.
Name.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just showing the hard code value, right? Nagendra. Email is
Now,
yeah. Fair.
photo.
After email we have role, and then one row. Na? Role we have photo. We have gender, right? Mm-hmm.
Yep, gender.
Help me.
M.
This is the hard coded value, right? Photo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But this value pseudo, na? Like here you see how GUI looks like. Tling, tling. Eh? It's looking like this, right?
Yeah.
This table, if you want, you can decrease the width of the table. It is up to you. Style, width, you can make 60%, 70%, whatever you want to make, right? Of whole width of the screen. Can you see this? Yeah. But it's looking not nice. 90%. It's not looking nice. I know. Done. Okay. A, you want to show you want to show the actual name, right? Once you log in,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Hero. Once you log in, you want to show the actual name. Got it?
Right.
So, like here, what you need to do? My data is present where? You guys are not replying. Your data is present in the request scope in
In the
data.
request. Yeah, right
So
there.
this data is representing hash map, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you have to fetch the data from the hash map. How to do it? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So I'm going to Google JSP access data from map.
EL.
Yeah, I don't know the syntax, but phew. Honestly, I'm saying I don't know. Who will help me? Nobody will help you. No problem, no problem. Otherwise, I won't do with EL. I need to try. Otherwise, nah, data is in my data, right? Data. But the data is a hash map. Let me give it a try, okay? I don't know it will work or not. But try though. What the heck? A second, okay? I'm trying, okay? My hash map is pointed by data. So here I'm trying this syntax, right? My data is in data, right? And key is name. So what you said? You said, hey, hash map. This is hash map. You know hash map? I told you, right?
Yep.
Like this is the hash map, and this hash map you have mapped with data. So on the GUI, I say, hey, hash map, you give me name, right? The value which is mapped with name. Clear?
Don't you need to import the
Sorry, it should be username. All right.
don't you
And
need
this
to
is
import login controller?
no, nothing. You have to just mention this key, right? Which you put in the request scope. Can I try this much? Because I'm not sure it will work or not. Huh?
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, we can try something else. Where is my? Hey, what man? Jack Angel. Hmm.
You should do admin and admin.
It's coming. You see? Jack Nagendra and oh my god, my syntax
It's
works.
working. Yeah. Nice.
It's working, right? Then like here, I will explain you what this is. Gender, a column name, right? And here you can write photo. Let me explain you again. Nah? Hello? Like here, when you enter username password, you know a syntax. It is fetching all the data, and column will become key, and its value will become value, right?
Right.
Then this you say, hey hash map, you are a data is a hash map. Then when I come to the GUI, I would say, hey hash map, I want to fetch the value which key is name. I want to fetch value which key is email.
Email.
That's it. Syntax.
Okay.
In this way, now you see, if you enter Jack and Jill, it will show you the data, right? Like, it's coming, right? Hmm?
Mm.
If you do admin and pass, it should work too.
Admin, yeah, admin pass, yeah, exactly. It is dynamic. JSP makes your page dynamic. You see all the admin data. Hello.
Yeah.
Hmm? And if you enter wrong username password, data is not there. So it should show you blank, I guess. Oh, it's not working. Hello. It's not showing blank. Incorrect size, actual 0. You know, hey, where it is the giving error in the Java code? Where error is coming? Here
Error.
it's giving exception. If data is not coming, it will give you the exception,
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
right? So how you can handle it? Only God knows. I don't know. Actually, it is giving you exception. When it gives you the exception, the use case when data is not there. Data is not there in which case?
When
When
the
username
password
password is
wrong.
incorrect. So you can do exception handling. Already it has been taught you. The tree, try,
Mm.
catch. Like here, if it is going to the this exception, it means user is not there. Got it? Oh, hero. So if it goes into the catch block, it means
Just put the else.
User is there.
else. Else we don't need it. Why? Else means catch. Data is not there, it will go to the catch. Got my point? A, what is logic? You fire a query, data is not there, it will go to the catch block. And in catch block, you are saying you are not my friend. Confused or got it? Or
It
what you
makes
can do is that in order to in order to avoid the error, Mr. Friend, right? Done. Anybody have any query? No question at all. So let's try.
did you run it?
I'm going to run it. Oh, you see, blank is coming.
Blank. Yeah, okay. Oh, but then that
You
messes up the table too.
yeah. Like here, do you understand this code? If you fire the query, exception will come. If username password is not in database, right? So it will go in the catch block and you are setting this message. Hey, you are not my friend. You see? Hey, you are not my friend. Got it?
Yep.
So guys, now I'm giving you a chance to ask questions. Here, I delete it. I don't it. No? I just want to make it a little bit nice, so I can use some CSS using span. Span is basically used to highlight one line. The color I want to make red, and font weight I want to make it bold. Let me show you how it looks like. A username password is incorrect, right? You see? But if you enter admin and
Yeah.
pass, what it will give you?
The correct.
The correct data. So guys, this is a very nice example. Like here, let me show you one thing. Coming soon. Like coming soon is your photo, right?
Yeah.
Allow me. It's looking like here because of th it is looking like this. Use td. In td it will not show you bold. Can I use
Image source, and then when you're saving the
image source?
data.
Then it will show you the pic. You see my style?
So when you're saving the data, you would need to save it
Baby
in the
style
format.
height is ATPX. You see the magic? Hello. Like here,
Yep.
you have to here set the photo location. You remember?
Yeah, it has to be slash
Exactly.
images
So
slash.
Yeah.
it will bring you the photo URL. Then it will show you the photo.
Hmm.
Let me show you. What I mean to say is like here in database. If you allow me, you can go and copy the URL. You can save the image URL. What is it? Are you can go and take some photo, right? You know how to copy? You know, copy image address. Can you see this? This image address you can save in database. Hello, here. It is writing coming soon. You see what I did? I copy the image address. You know how to copy image address? I'm saying, do you know how to copy image address? Nobody replying. It's not a big deal. To copy image address, you can right click on it, right? Or let's take icon. Sir, I'm telling you, if you're not replying, you are not asking question, you are wasting your time. Fine. If you want to copy this URL, right click on this, copy image address.
Image address.
And this I can, you have to be smart. I copy the image address, right? Done. You see the magic. Magic means, when you type Jack and Jill, here it will show you the image. You see?
Hmm. Okay.
Because it is coming from, I save the image URL in database, and that URL I'm rendering over here. Pass, it will show you different photo, right? Because we have two photo. This image, you can make it bigger. How? By changing the size.
Height. It will.
Height, make 140, 50. So it will look little bit bigger. You see?
Hmm.
And at bottom, you can give some gap. Yeah, it's looking odd.
Yeah.
If you want to give some gap, you can use BR. BR means break line. So, there would be some space, right? Done. You guys got the idea how the whole flow is working? Entering my username, Jack, Jal. If username password is correct, it is authenticated in database and bringing data back to this and showing it. Up
Navneet,
next thing,
could you go back to um accept handling which you did for the password? That one.
yeah, sure. Like here, no, here I'm telling you, my journey is very long. I have two options. Let me teach you first. Try catch.
Mm-hmm.
Like here you are firing the query,
Yeah.
query formula.
Yeah.
It will go and fire this, bring this all the values, right? So this become key, and its value will become value, right? If data doesn't comes, it will throw the exception, data
Hmm.
access exception. Then these two line will not execute. If data is not
Okay.
coming, immediately your control will jump from here to catch. This two line
Oh.
will be skipped.
Hmm.
And in this way, in that case, you are not setting data and message. You are setting only this message. Here you are not
Hmm.
my friend, and coming back to the login. So when exception comes, nothing is going to be set into request scope as a data.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Exception comes, then your control will jump to the catch, and anything coming between catch block and the place where exception comes, it will
Hmm.
be skipped.
Skip. Okay. Hmm.
Done.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know. Next thing, what we need to make it, you have to make a, this is my, you have to make a sign up form, and you have to save data in database, right? So let me make the sign up form. After that, you will do it, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm coming to my login.jsp, and here I'm making sign up, right? And you can make like here you can make it button, not reset button, and you can, you know how to make hyperlink.
Yeah. A
That's it.
href.
It's
Uh,
USHA.
href,
Yeah.
and when you click on the sign up button, right? When you click on the sign up button, you can hit an action. Action is sign up. By which action you want to hit? Sign up. And this action, please mute yourself. This action, when you click on this sign up button, this action you can map in the controller. What? You want to map this, right? String, show sign up page. What I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing, get mapping, get, because by default when you click on hyperlink, it is get mapping. So you map the action over here, right? When somebody hit the sign up, you want to go to which page? G sign up.
Yeah.
You can give any name to it. G sign up means it will go to which GSP file?
Signup.jsp.
Yeah. Like when you hit this URL with get, action is this and get. So which page is going to be open? This.jsp. Got it?
.jsp.
So you are going to make this JSP. Hey, funda is clear to everybody? You are
Yeah.
just calling a action sign up, and sign up will open as G sign up. So here you have to make a GSP file. Hmm, that's it. Hello. And in GSP file, I'm going to use a whole code of login.jsp. It's okay with you? Yes. And in this, I will remove all unnecessarily code, right? Table we don't want. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
Niche. I delete it. I don't want result also. I need to just make the sign up page. Got it? Hmm? This is part of my design, right? Sign up page. Hello, hero. And you can change the sign up user. Got it?
Yeah.
I created a new page, and how this page will open, you remember? Here, I just changed the button. When you
Yeah.
click on it, you know the flow?
Mm-hmm.
It will hit your controller. Sign up.
Yeah.
When you click on it, it will navigate you to login controller. Here,
It.
right? Sign up.
Yeah. Hmm.
And sign up will forward you to the gsignup.jsp. You click on it and see. You see? Sign up page, right? But here you have to increase more fields. Hmm?
Right. Name,
Uh,
password,
I'm
or
going to do that. But here you can change, instead of this, you have to make here sign up, right? Or nahi kuch. And you can go to the sign in, right? Opposite.
Hmm.
And here you have to go to, I don't know, login.jsp. You can go to the JSP, okay? And this button will be submit. That's fine. The action will be sign up, sign up, right? Hey,
Yeah. Sign up.
and here you have to include more field, username, password, or way, right? Tell me,
Hmm.
email. Hmm?
name, gender.
Type email, name, email, name. Let's see how it looks like. I'm designing it. Hello, you see? Username, password, name, email. No?
Yep.
You have to take other field also. Somebody is saying gender. The gender, I want to take drop down. For drop down, you can use select. Select is used for drop down. We don't need type. And here you can take name. Name is gender. Right? And here you can take the option. Option is male. This is the HTML thing, right?
Hmm.
Female and other.
Yep.
Female. Let's see how it looks like. Cling, cling. You see? If you want, you can decrease the size of it. Like you can make it 40. And score, you can make it 70, 80.
So do we need
Like,
to create another table that matches with those fields?
No. Table already we have. We just designed the table, man. You have to push all this data in this. Username, password, role, name, email, gender, right?
Oh, okay.
You have to make a role also. Role, admin. Role, and in last you have to make a field for enter the photo. Photo URL, right? Photo URL text. My form is ready.
Yeah.
Cling, cling, cling. It's ready, right? Yeah. There is less space. It's looking very odd. So what you can do is a photo all, we can make it smaller. Photo Nigel, let's remove it. I want to make it smaller. I did it. Yeah. Give me a sec. I don't know. I can put it somewhere. I don't know. Role. Designing is not your part, okay? You don't spend time on it. Not looking nice. Okay. Hello. People are with me?
Yes, sir.
You just
It's looking very odd. It's not looking odd. It's looking very odd. Just fine. Hey, what you need to do? You enter username, password, name, email, right? And when you click on the sign up button, all the data should be saved into
Database.
The database.
This is the next thing which you have to do. This is enough.